When drain pipes dry out, sewer gas rises, bringing odors, insects, and even health risks into your building. You need VapourBlock, a citrus-based drain sealer. With some water already in the P-trap, pour VapourBlock directly into the drain. It forms a protective layer above the water, slowing evaporation, sealing in the moisture. This layer keeps odors and insects locked out and giving you a clean, fresh environment. Depending on conditions, the seal can last 6 months or more, or until flushed out. With a natural citrus formula and freeze-resistant properties, VapourBlock reduces maintenance and keeps your drain sealed, even in the winter. Ideal for cottages, cabins, basements, garages, or any area without frequent water flow. Don't let a dry drain become a bigger problem. Seal it. Forget it. With VapourBlock, citrus-based drain sealer,